Hello everyone, I'm Leslie and this is Comfortable Shoes Studio. I wanted to show you my N Plane Air grab and go kits. They're sort of based off of moods. So I have two different sets currently, not including the one I just shot a video on. Um, let's talk about the red one. So this was the first one I kind of put together based off of the art toolkit idea. So it's kind of meant to be pretty minimal. So in this, I have a large water brush, couple water, couple of Inktense pencils, a blue colored pencil, a red watercolor pencil, a white paint marker, a mechanical pencil, and a Uniball Signo Bold. A couple of clips. I have an eraser, which I haven't used in this kit at all. I also have a Apsara long point pencil sharpener. These are my favorite pencil sharpeners ever. Pretty compact, they fit in there. I am tempted to kind of shave it a little bit. And then on this side, I've got the Art Toolkit Demi palette, which is just this little tiny palette. It's currently got 5 colors in it: green, quinacridone gold, quinacridone magenta, peacock blue, and sepia. The peacock blue is getting taken out because it's not a good blue for the kind of work I'm doing right now. It's a lovely blue, but not for where I'm currently making art. So this is a Real Art Toolkit Demi palette. I did add a piece of metal on the back to help it adhere to my little magnetic clips. So that goes in there. And then I also have the Fumui 4 travel brush set that I like pretty well. I am seeing, like, I've got some loose threads there. These are actually pretty nice brushes. They're pretty soft. This kit is getting pretty gunky. I've been using this one a lot. And I kind of bought this as a budget version of this. This holds almost the same amount of stuff as this, but in a smaller, more compact set. So this is an Art Toolkit Pocket Folio, I think they call it, and it actually works great for what it is. So I have a large water brush. These are great, these large water brushes. And then a medium water brush. These just kind of live in here. And then I also have another Fumui set, and this is the nylon brush set. So those are the brushes. Prismacolor watercolor brush in green, Pentel Milky brush, 2mm lead holder, another Uniball Signo, watercolor brush in white, an Inktense in black, and a Prismacolor Indanthrone blue. So it's an indigo blue. So that's the kind of just drawing tools I have that's just in this set. And then I have this. This is a homemade little thing to go in the back of a sketchbook so I can hold all of my stuff close. So this has some really strong magnets. It also has another little pin sheet magnet here. And then I've got this Art Toolkit knockoff watercolor palette. And this adheres on here quite strongly. However, this knockoff palette, one of the reasons I'm not a huge fan of it is, first off, it's made out of stainless steel, so it's a little bit heavier, but also the magnetic sheet in it is pretty weak compared to others. So then I also have this, which is a fold-up water cup with, it's meant to be a hiker's drinking cup, and I just super glued a couple of cut down metal pieces to it, and that can just live on the corner like so, and it stays pretty well. And then I have a little spot to put paper towels clipped on, and that works really well. This cup is not my favorite. I did a video where I showed a DIY version with a silicone cupcake liner, and that just works great. Another thing that works really well is this is the cup off a medication container. So this medication container has like this just lives on it, and it clips in place and stays pretty snug without anything. But the little metal disc is there. You can put a washer on it, and that just works really well for traveling with these things. So yeah, and then this just clips in place. This is just a couple of sheets of cardboard from a cereal box, I believe. Yeah, it's a couple of options for water there, and I like this setup. Clips hold it in place on the sketchbook really well. Then I have this that I can use to help hold brushes in place if I would like to. Just kind of holds there. This is a hair tie. So that's the other setup. Now I was thinking about like, how do I make this even more budget? Because this was very expensive. It's made in the US. The quality is just top notch. This is, I think, made in China. I think it says inside. Made in Cambodia. So made in Cambodia, and actually made really well. But also, I think is $15 for this. $12, $12 or $15. I'll put a link. And then I saw this. AliExpress is suggesting all sorts of little pouches to me now. It's like it's embedded on my computer. Anyway, this little tactical pouch. So I wanted to check it out and see how much of this stuff I can fit in here. So let's do the pellet. Put that in there. Actually, is that going to fit in there? Or do I have to fit it? There's a pouch on the back. So it's going to fit in that pouch on the back really nicely. Let's see if that... My brushes are fitting in there. I will not be able to fit the water brush inside. Let's see about these. I don't think it's going to fit any of these colored pencils because they're close to full length. Let's see. See if I can keep myself on camera. I just put all three of those. Yeah, no, these are way too high. I'm going to leave them in for now. So I know the Uniball signal goes right there, and then we can put this pencil there, Milky marker there. I'll try putting a pencil there. So I don't think that's going to close, but it actually does. And then the water brush can go there. And there's more room on the outside, so we can stuff that in there. And actually, there's another water brush and another one. I think you can fit, yeah, you'd be able to fit 4 water brushes on the outside. Wow. So this is like $8.50. And it's surprisingly well made. Like the stitches are all really nice, and the zipper actually works pretty well. So all the zippers work really well. So yeah, the pencils are actually a little too high, but I think if you used like a couple of colored pencils that had been used a little bit, they would work fine. Let's throw these back in here. So yeah, I will say this is so much nicer than this on every level. Just like the thoughtful design, like that pocket fits that perfectly. My brush container fits in there perfectly. This, along with the clips for it, just fit in there. Perfect. Everything about this is perfect. And then, which one of these have I been? This one. All right. So, one fits in there. Actually, I think that would fit on a diagonal, wouldn't it? Yep. And then the water cup. Fit that just like so. Yeah, there we go. Okay. And then that does just zip up easily. And the zipper on this is quite a bit nicer. So it zips up completely. But that being said, I think if I take that colored pencil and then the Uniball, Signo, and then palette. I think I'm going to use that red palette with this. And then just, actually I can fit these water brushes on the inside. Maybe this is just a set that I only use water brushes with. I don't know. Haven't completely decided what to do with this entirely, but I do know I like it quite a bit. It's a nice compact pouch that I will definitely be able to use and really fill up. Maybe I don't make another kit like this. These two kits are really similar. It's just like a matter of like really like throwing this one in my backpack, but this one is really nice to throw in my on-the-go like pochade bag, along with my pochade box. So like it really fleshes out what I have in my pochade box. So I should probably do an episode about my pochade box as well. So, but I might shoot that one outside. Anyway, just wanted to like go over these little containers and show you like you've got options for how you can build a on-the-go art kit on kind of a budget. Like all of this stuff for the most part, I did buy, and then I bought the knockoff version of it. But I had all of these things on hand already, so I just grabbed stuff I already had and put them into a kit. Like I had all that stuff, and I had all of these things. It's just a matter of putting the kit together so that, well, I also didn't have this. I did go ahead and order this because, I mean, it's blue and shiny, and I really did want to try the art toolkit setup. But yeah, it just had most of these things. Oh, this is for filling water brushes. So a water brush actually holds about 10 milliliters of water. So you fill this up twice, and it's got a little blunt needle to fill your water brush up. So the blunt needle just slides in there like that and then stays put. Their toolkit does come with a different version of the needle. We have those for the dog's medication, so it's not one that was used. Well, it's all oral medication for the dog. Anyway, just stuff I had on hand and threw together. So anyway, thanks for being here. Just wanted to give you an idea about this stuff. I appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks and bye.